Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So y'all see I'm done with my driveway now, the whole way all the way to the road, and I did ABC stone here where we're going to be parking. So today I'm going to be building a carport for us to park here just for now. This is temporary, and then later, you know, we'll build something nice, but something to cover our cars. And yeah, so yeah, it's another project that we have out here. I have a ton of projects planned, but I mean, I can only do one at a time. So yeah, this is the project for today. It's gonna be, I think it's a 20 by 20 carport. With I think it's gonna be like 7 feet tall, 8 foot tall legs, 7 foot. It's actually 7 foot. But yeah, let's see how it ends up looking like. I've built one before, small one, but hey, this is a big one. Yeah, I got majority of my material here. So yeah, and then I guess my helper is gonna be my Mini X. So let's see what we can do. Let's get started. All right, so I got the foots down of the carport right where I want it to be. I will start anchoring them down and then installing the legs, and then we'll go with the trusses. All right, so we'll start with this anchor right here. All right, so step one is completed. I got the foot anchored down. So now let's go with the legs. All right, step two was pretty easy, you know, just setting up the legs, but now we gotta put screws on them and hold them tight. So okay, so that's the final step of step two. So I got the screws in. Now I gotta do the beam that runs across. Since that one's a little heavy, I'm gonna use my machine to hold it up for me. This is gonna be a little harder than what I thought. All right, so I got one beam done. I gotta do the other one. The other one's gonna be a little bit harder, but honestly, thought it was gonna be a little bit easier. But when you're doing it yourself, that's what that's what DIY is. You gotta figure it out. But yeah, I think it's pretty good. So let's do the other beam and let's move along. So that's step three. I got that done. So now it's time to do the trusses. I mean, I thought this was gonna be a lot easier, but it's definitely a hassle. But yeah, so let's start with the trusses. Let's see how that goes, since those are a little bit higher. But it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trusses. Oh gosh. Now this is hard. How am I gonna get that strap down from up there? I didn't think that, but hey, 1 down, 5 to go. So it's tiring, it's hot out here. All right, so there goes frame of it completed. It was definitely harder than what I thought, but got it done. Now I gotta do the hot part, because it's freaking hot out here, the sheet metal. But shouldn't be that long. I mean, hopefully. I'm hoping, but yeah, so I got the trusses done. All I gotta do is level it and square it off really good, and then start doing the sheet metal on top. So I don't want nothing crooked, I want everything square. All right, so now let's go to step number 5, which is install the C channels for the sheet metal. Hey, what's up? Good morning, everybody. So it's the next day. I wasn't able to finish yesterday because it was just way too hot. I don't know if I got like a heat stress, what's it called, heat stress, heat stroke, but it was too hot up there. But I was able to finish the C channels on this side. Now I got to do 3 on the other side, and then start doing step 6, which is the sheet metal. It's right here. I'm gonna do a gray, it's like a gray top, but yeah, we're gonna be done today, and until we move in, I mean, my Mini X is gonna be parked here, you know, get some shade. But yeah, let's get to it. All right, C channels are done on both sides, so now it's time to throw the sheet metal up there and cover it up. So there goes the final product. It's completed. I didn't record much of doing the roof because it's just so hot. I wanted to get that done, but let me know, how does it look? I know you can use this one both ways. Enter through this side, or you can use the 2 little doors that are on there, and then just add roll-up doors, garage doors, and close it up. But I mean, for my truck and my wife's car, it's perfect. Let me know down in the comments what y'all think. Did a good job for it to be a DIY project, or what's up? It looks good. Very sturdy. Added these braces here. Minimal movement. I mean, it's tall. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. How did I do? Did it come out great? Let me know down in the comments. Give me a like and subscribe for other projects here around. We're not moved in yet, but we're around the corner next couple days.